Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng chicken drumsticks sa oven. So, andito yung ating chicken. Meron po tayo ditong chicken drumstick. 6 na piraso siya. Ito. Malinis na po siya. So, bali, 6 na chicken drumstick. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, ating imamarinate. Meron tayo ditong corn flours. Meron tayo ditong corn flour. At meron tayo ditong salt. Meron din tayo ditong seasoning na Old Bay. You can order this one in Amazon if you want to. Kasi walang mabibili sa mga supermarket. Kailangan mo itong orderin sa Amazon. Masarap ito. Ingredients sa seafoods at sa chicken. Ayan, chicken, shrimp, crab. If you want to, for example, to fry the shrimp or the crab, you can use Old Bay seasoning. Only in Amazon. And of course, I don't have more garlic. I forgot to buy today, but I still have enough to use to our drumstick chicken. So I have garlic powder. I have onion powder. I have this sweet paprika, pimentón dulce in Spanish. This is the cayenne pepper. Is the powder, the chili powder, spicy. If you want to use, you can use it, but not much. We're going to use a little bit amount of the cayenne pepper, and I have, of course, the black pepper. I have the ground there, but I have the powder. And of course, gagamit tayo ng olive oil instead of butter because I need to avoid the butter. So I'm going to use just 1 cup of flour. I think 1 cup is enough because our chicken is only 6 pieces. Our drumstick is only 6 pieces. So I'm going to use, oh my god, just 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. The couple of, and onion powder, 1 tablespoon. The black pepper is a teaspoon, small teaspoon. This is very simple, but simple but very delicious. This is our sweet paprika. And some salt. And some Old Bay seasoning. I'm gonna use this one. And our cayenne pepper. I use this small amount of cayenne pepper, like that. And then I'm going to mix everything. I think I have the smaller to marinate everything. Instead of your hand, sometimes messy. Sure, the small tray is enough. Small bowl, crystal. First of all, don't forget the oil. We need the olive oil. I'm not gonna use the butter because I always snap up some of the olive oil later. We need to cook this one in 220 degrees. Oh yeah, 220 or 230. And about 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. This is the easy way to cook of the chicken. No need to order in the restaurant, deliver it. No need to take home. If you know how to cook, do it. Do it yourself better than take out. Believe me, better than take out. Cook your food for yourself is better than take out. If you know how to cook, you better cook for yourself. More healthy and we are seldom to eat outside now, especially this time, situation, our situation here in Europe. I prefer to cook our food than to eat outside. I don't know if enough my tray, maybe not, because my chicken is, I got 3 here. I don't know if, no, maybe I'm gonna use the bigger one, but the other one is so big. The other tray. Not wet enough this chicken, I think. That's fine. Oh my god. flour is like you're playing, because I don't like to use my hand. I don't like to be messy. So ito na yung ating chicken drumstick na iluluto sa oven ng about 30 to 40 minutes, 130 degrees. Lagay natin sa time. $40 and then maybe about 20 minutes ibaliktad natin. Ayan siya, guys. Lagay ko na sa oven. Now we are going to take out and look for the going to use the other. Oh wow! Nice! Smells so good. But my tray is very small. Oops. So this is the chicken, guys, that I have to make. On the other side. Wow. Smells so good and starving. Another 20 minutes. What? So guys, ito na po yung ating chicken. Naluto na siya. Ang ating chicken drumstick. Crispy and delicious. Very easy recipe. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung pagluluto ko ng drumstick. Hanggang sa muli, thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye and have a nice one, guys!